Alright, what up? It's your boy with Up and Fresh 360. But you already know that. So I want to get straight into it. I don't want to waste any time. So the deep conditioning method. You want to know how that works? You know, it helps a lot. You know, for the past couple weeks, you know, I tried it every Monday and Thursday, and I saw the effects of it, man. And it comes in a great deal. And make sure you have a schedule to do this. Make sure you do it 2 days every week. If you got short hair, make sure you do it every week. You know, every once a week. The first thing you're gonna need is actually a comb. So what you want to do with this comb is comb your hair out for just about 2 to 5 minutes. Or 2 to 3 minutes. Either one, but I'm gonna suggest 2 to 5 minutes. If you're afraid to comb back and you don't think your waves are ready for that, just comb forward, right? For 2 to 5 minutes. After 2 to 5 minutes, then you go into the pre-wash. So after the pre-wash, you know what you want to do in the pre-wash. Make sure that your water is warm. You feel me? You don't want to, you know, burn your head. Gonna be like. Here, make sure you get that pre-wash going and get all that water and throw all that water inside the head, you feel me? Get it all in your head. After you get that done, then you're gonna go with the shampoo. After you do the shampoo, you know, you get it in your head. And you know what I use to get inside my head? This sucker. Oh my goodness. This sucker to get me deep in my scalp. And then it also helps me to get all that dirt out and all that products out of your head. And that's what you really need to get all of out of your head. I hope y'all following the steps. After you wash the shampoo the first time, I had to do it the second time. This time it's gonna get real soapy. And after that, I want you to wash your hair. Wash your hair. This is not a washing style method, it's not. So wash your hair. After you wash your hair, I want you to put this sucker in it. Conditioner. But you don't particularly have to put this product in. You can go get a better product than this. There's plenty of products that's way better than this. So I suggest you go find a better product or pick this up, you feel me? What I want you to do is put that in your hair. Leave it in for just about 15 minutes. 15 to 20 minutes, actually. Like, how about that? So, during those 15 to 20 minutes, you want to throw that, you want to get a hot towel. Make sure you put the hot towel all over your head. And, you know, compress it into your head. You feel me? Within those 15 minutes. So the products, the vitamins and all that good stuff can go into your head and it can be easier to absorb, you feel me? After that, you will be needing a brush. 15 to 20 minutes, what you want to be doing is brushing too. Get that good brush session in. And you can throw the do-rag on. Throw the do-rag on, make sure it's compressed and it's tight. And make sure your hair is laid down, right? Compressed, tight, and it's laid down. So after you figure that out, hop in the tub or whatever, or wash in the sink, wherever you got, and then wash your hair. Make sure all the conditioner is out. Make sure it's all out, everything gone. That's it. I hope y'all keeping up. Cause I am kind of talking like, but after you do that, you know, you gotta wait like just about like 2 to 3 hours. You know, another fast method to dry your hair is put a towel over it. What you wanna do is you grab your towel, face it horizontally, put it like that. Wait, not like that. My bad. Put it like that. Make sure you go like this, you see it? Put it like that, right? And then you have your left hand. Go inside. Then go bring the outside inside. And then twist it. You feel me? It's not gonna look professional, but twist it. Now, and then you can put this under. Then boom. You got that. You feel me? So you want it to dry. You just want everything to dry. Make sure, even though if it's like 2 to 3 hours and it's still not dry, don't take it off. Trust me. Just leave it on, just like this. You walk around the house chilling. I know it's kind of girly, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. You take it off, right? Now your hair is looking good. It's all clean. Now you looking at the progress. It's like, oh, okay, it's looking good. But that 15 to 20 minutes wasn't enough, dude. It really wasn't. So I want you to do, what I really want you to do is add oil and then brush it in. Make sure you get a 30-minute brushing session. And then after you get a 30-minute to an hour brush session in, it's gonna come in. It's gonna be like, but that's the deep conditioning method. And I'll show you my progress right now. I'll show you how it's looking because I did the conditioning method. I'll let y'all see.
Tower on the beat.
You already see the progress. So let's get it started. Yes, sir. That is the deep conditioning method. That is the deep conditioning method. Clean the oil.
So y'all seen it, right? Y'all seen it. Y'all seen the progress. You know, it looks real good, don't it? You know, if y'all want your hair to look like this, do the deep conditioning method. Looks real good, man. But I want to point out something straight. So make sure in that last step, after you put the oil in, you get your 30 minutes to an hour brush session in. Make sure you rag up. Rag up for like 20, however long you want to rag up. 20 to an hour. And then see your progress. I'm telling you, it's going to look good. It's going to look good, man. But thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. And hit that notification bell because you want to watch my videos. Don't you? I'm just kidding. But yeah, do that. And yeah, boy, your boy is out.